Right now, the travel sentiment score sits at plus 0.41, a notable spike compared to our historical baseline. This isn't just a casual uptick. It's accompanied by a momentum of plus 1.50 over the past 24 hours, signaling a significant shift in how people are feeling about travel. With 20 semantic clusters to explore, there's a wealth of nuanced insights at your fingertips. What this API returns is a comprehensive sentiment analysis, providing you with actionable data on traveler emotions and trends. For instance, you could leverage this data to tailor your marketing campaigns, aligning them with the current sentiment to engage your audience more effectively. Ready to dive in? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this insight to create something meaningful together.